Episode 3. Repair Shop, Call-Out Service or MSP. Decide which business you are building. A repair shop, a call-out service, and an MSP can sit under one brand, but they can't be run as though they're the same business. Many independent tech businesses operate 3 models at once. They repair devices, visit customers, and provide ongoing business support. That can be a strength, but only when the services work together rather than compete for the same time. Why this matters. Easy to delay. Expensive to ignore. Each model has different economics. Shops carry premises and staffing costs. Call-outs lose time to travel. MSPs take responsibility for systems between visits and need tools, documentation, and predictable response processes. Mixing the models without separate rules hides which work actually pays. Follow the money. The maths is not complicated. Repair, call-out, and managed support work consume capacity in different ways. If they're combined in one undifferentiated price list, profitable recurring work may subsidize travel and walk-in interruptions, or the shop may carry costs that mobile prices never recover. Separating the models allows the owner to compare contribution, set sensible minimum charges, and decide which service should lead future growth. Shop, call-out, or MSP. Repair shop. The shop should be the controlled center for booked repairs, collections, retail sales, and demonstrations. It must not become an unlimited walk-in help desk. Call-out technician. The call-out service should solve problems that genuinely need an on-site visit. Remote checks and clear travel charges protect the diary. MSP. The MSP service should be based on agreed outcomes, supported devices, and response levels. It can't be an informal promise to help whenever a client calls. What good looks like. The customer should find it simpler. You should find it easier to control. Decisions get written down. Work enters through the right route. Normal work looks normal. Chaos stops pretending to be a process. Here is the number that matters. Compare revenue, gross profit, and owner time by model. That measure should lead to a decision, not become another number collected without purpose. What happens in the real world? Here is what this looks like. A local business operates a shop, offers home visits, and informally supports 12 companies. All technician time is recorded as labor, so the owner assumes every hour is equally valuable. A 4-week review shows that call-outs lose almost half their time to travel, while business support includes unrecorded remote work. The company introduces travel zones, a separate business queue, and a defined monthly plan. Shop repairs are booked around protected bench blocks. Each model now has a clear route, price, and handover, allowing the owner to see where an additional employee would create the most value. Measure it, or guess forever. Compare revenue, gross profit, and owner time by model. The busiest model is not always the best one. The goal is to see which combination creates dependable profit without constant disruption. Reality check. Don't price all 3 models using the same hourly figure. Travel, premises, tools, administration, and responsibility change the real cost of delivery. Do this now. Separate last month's sales into the 3 models and note which one created the most profit per hour. From my own experience, I've worked through more than one model. Chips began as a call-out service, then developed into a retail and repair shop in 2013. Each version needed different opening hours, stock, pricing, customer expectations, and daily routines. The logo might stay the same, but the economics do not. Treating a shop, a mobile technician, and an MSP as identical is a quick way to build confusion with a company name attached. The model changed, so the rules had to change. Chip started as a mobile repair service in 2005 and later became a shop with repairs, retail stock, and business support. The logo stayed the same, but the economics did not. A shop created rent, opening hours, stock and walk-in interruptions, call-outs consumed travel time, business support carried responsibility between visits. Treating those as one vague service would have hidden which work was paying and which work was simply keeping us busy. 5 moves. No faffing. Create a separate income line for shop repairs, call-outs, remote support, retail sales and managed services. Record the time and direct cost used by each service for 1 month. Define the handover between models, such as when a call-out becomes a workshop repair or when repeat support becomes a managed plan. Set a minimum charge and booking rule for each model. Choose one model to lead your marketing while the others support it. No hiding. Answer these. Which model pays for the owner's time best? Where do services interrupt one another? Which costs belong to each delivery model? What triggers a handover between service types? The bottom line. Bluntly, mix all 3 models carelessly, and you build a 3-headed monster that eats the diary. Next week, build a service menu that customers can understand. This article was written by Mr. Philip Griffiths of Tech for Techs Group Ltd, drawing on his own words, knowledge and first-hand experience of owning and operating a nationally award-winning computer repair business. It has been professionally edited and approved for publication.